Hello students, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. I'm good, thank you for asking. So today we are going to learn about past continuous tense. So have you ever heard about past continuous tense? So basically we have a lot of grammars and one of those are one of them is past continuous tense. So we move directly to the definition. What is the past continuous tense? Alright, we can see here the definition of past continuous tense. When we use the grammar past continuous tense, so past continuous tense, it can show an ongoing action in the past that was interrupted by another action. So if you got confused by this definition, let's move to the example directly. So the first example, I was reading a book when she called me. Here, I was reading a book is the past continuous tense. Yeah, this past continuous tense is an ongoing action. Is an ongoing action. While she called me is the action that was uh, uh it's its action that interrupted the ongoing action. Okay, uh, I will explain slowly. Yeah. Next to the second example, they were meeting in this room when I came. Okay, which one is the ongoing action? Which one is the ongoing action? Correct. They were meeting in this room is the ongoing action. In the past, of course, yeah, in the past. We are not talking about the current situation or uh, present tense, but we are talking about the past tense. It happens in the past. They were meeting in this room. It's an ongoing action in the past, while I came using verb to, yeah, using verb to past tense is it's an interruption action. Yeah, action that interrupt the ongoing action. Okay, let's move to the next or the third example. He was walking on the street when he saw his ex. Okay, which one is the ongoing action in the past? Which one? Correct. He was walking on the street. He was walking on the street is an ongoing action. While the interruption action is he saw his ex. He saw his ex while he was walking on the street. Yeah. We can say also the uh, interruption action is suddenly happen in the middle of the ongoing action. Okay. Mm. She called me. I was reading a book was interrupted by another action which is she called me. When I was reading a book, she suddenly called me. Suddenly. They were meeting in this room when I suddenly came. Yeah, in the middle of their meeting. He was walking on the street when he suddenly saw his ex. He saw his ex on the street while when he was walking on the street. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about the pattern on how to arrange or to make the past continuous tense. Subject. First, subject. We have I, she, he, it, and third person singular. For the example, name like um, John, or third person singular like my mother or my sister. Yeah. Subject plus was plus verb in plus complement. Yeah. Plus when, and then we, this is the first line is the ongoing action, and after when is the interruption action. We use the past tense, not past continuous, but past tense. We only use subject and then verb to, and then plus complement. And the difference with the second pattern is just on the subject. Yeah, the second subject we have we, they, third person plural. Yeah, third person plural such as my sisters, my brothers, children. It's using to be were, and then same as the uh, same as the previous verb in plus complement plus when, and then the second, this one is used as the interruption action, which is past tense. Okay, to check your understanding, now we move to the quiz. Yeah, I used the word wall here to make the quiz to check your understanding about uh, today's lesson. All right, I have three questions here, so I ask you guys to answer it together, yeah, with me. The correct answer, of course. Let's start. Okay, here. I blah 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 in my room when the robber sneaked into the house and took my computer and television. Yeah. So what we are missing here? The past tense or the past continuous? The ongoing action or the interrupt action? Yeah, the ongoing action. Yeah, the ongoing action. So the answer is were sleeping, or I was sleeping, or I was sleeping, or I slept in my room. Correct. I was sleeping in my room when the robber sneaked, using verb to interrupt action, yeah, interruption action, and took. Okay, correct. And then the second question, my sisters, blah blah blah, playing in my room when I came. What we are missing here? Yeah, the ongoing action, which is we are going to use the past continuous tense. Okay. My sister here singular or plural? Plural, because there is as here. My sisters, more than one. My sister, so was or were? My sisters, yeah, were playing, yeah, in my room when I came. Then okay, move to the last question. My mother, blah blah blah, in the kitchen when my father arrived. My mother is the third person singular, so we use were. Yeah, okay, was cooking. My mother was cooking in the kitchen when my father arrived. Okay, guys. Good job, everyone. So, I think this all that I can explain today, and see you on the next meeting. Bye bye. Thank you.